Okay, now how do you calculate the area of circular cone? First, this doesn't have to be given to you. Let's get rid of that. You have to know two things. Number one, the radius which is given, and number two, the height of the cone. And here is my circular cone. So the base, as you can see, it's a circle. That's the base, that's the circle, and there is the height. We need to know two things only. Now, let's go back to the formula handout. Remember, you need to be able to write this down on your study aid. And let's get rid of this first. Actually, we'll come back to that. But anyway, circular cone is right here. And I am looking at the volume formula, which is BH divided by 3. Let's go ahead and write that down. Volume equals BH. Let's do the division first. Divided by 3 BH on the top. So I need to know what B means. I need to know what H is. Let's go back to the formula handout. B means base area and H means the height, and I can see from the shape what they mean by the height. And as I mentioned, the base here is a circle. So I need to calculate the area of circle. I need to calculate the area of circle, the base area of circle first. So on the side, let's change the color. On the side, I'm going to say B equals to, I'm going to write down the area formula for the base, which is once again circle. And that is, I remember. But if you don't remember, you have to have those formulas for sure on your study aid. It's pi r square. And let's keep going and calculate the B base area. Pi is 3.14 times r radius given to us is here 5. And do remember that's the square. And B equals, use your calculator and do 3.14 times 5 square, and you will get 78.5. 78.5, and that will be the unit meter cube. I just don't want to make mistake here. I think it's 78. 3.14 times 5 times 5, 78.5. So I was right. Okay. Now I can include that with my formula and find out what the volume is. Volume equals big division by 3. And now let's use a different color here. I'm going to use blue color. Volume equals divided by, let's take a look, that's 3. And the base area, we calculated 78.5 multiplied by the height. Looking at the shape, we can see that height is 11. So let's write that down. And let's do the calculation here. Let's use the calculator and see 78.5. I'm recording. 78.5 times 11 equals to that divided by 3. We are going to get this weird number, 287.83. Let's write that down. 287.83. 83. Let's not forget the unit. Unit will be meter cube. It's going to be meter cube. So that's how you calculate the area of the area of circular cone.